Yes, ladies and gentlemen. Well, thank you. The bronze medalist.
Zana. Gold medalist is standing high, Zana. Let's move. Okay. That is Kibori SS. May I request Reverend Father William Ojulo. All teams that have got trophies, don't go. We shall meet you here for the final celebration. All teams that have got trophies, please remain back.
The fact that he has been able to host a national game like this one, I pray that when you go back to the high table, talk to Mama about this stadium. Let this stadium be constructed, be modernized to the national standard that we can be comfortable, all of us, when we are having another game like this one.
Aina Motis TV from St. Mary's Rosorosa.